Just found a problem. It's shorting. I've done something wrong.
Okay, new project. These are my trunk ambient lights. Let's turn it on. Let's see if we get them to light up. I think that's the wrong button. Let's try again, shall we? Whoa, there we go. Whoa. Let's get to it then. So, we have this here. First thing we need to do is remove the light inside there, which you can't see, so we can get to the wires. Slide you in there. There it is. Okay. So I want to test the voltage first of all in there. It's 12 volts, so let's go on voltage DC, and that's showing 0. That's not a good start, is it? You can see that 12 volts. So this is the status thus far. I've taken out the light out of there and I've disconnected it. I've tested these wires. We're getting 12 volts. What I'm going to do is strip this back and use one of those clips on there. So we need to spur these wires and push these wires into this socket. But before we do, we need to feed the wires in behind here, so that they're buried, so that when that goes in like this, under this rubber, and this should tuck in into here. So I've now got to somehow get the wires through here. So let's try this splodger. Okay. Undo this. We can get them under this side, I can slide them around and then push down that way. That's the new plan. And there's a clip behind there, can't do that. So I need to run the wires across here and down here into the tube, hollow tube that's behind here. So I'm going to put a coat hanger up through here, and then I'm going to tie the wires to the coat hanger and then pull it through, pull it back out there, and hopefully that will do it. Voltage DC. Let's just see which way round these are. Live in the neutral. Oh, that's shorted. Why is that shorted? Why is that short? That can't be good, can it? Let's try that again. Oh, we've just got off. I've just found a problem. It's shorting. I've done something wrong. No, there's nothing wrong with that. Let's try that again. Oh, schoolboy error. I put it on AC. What a tool. Never done that before. Right, let's try that again. 12 volts, right, it's the wrong way round. So, check that correctly. Right, so the live is this grey and red and black, and the neutral is white and black. Let's strip some of this wire back so I can get in there to do the clip. This is extremely fiddly. Let's clamp this down. That should give us a reading out of here now. 12 volts, excellent. So now we have this that we can just cut the wires slot into there. Okay, next, let's get the cable run through up here and along here, and then we can start building it up.
Okay, so I've plugged this back in just to check that it still works, and it does, which is good. I'm going to wrap some tape around this afterwards. So we need to get the cable and feed it. Or is there maybe I could go lower? Could I go in this bottom bit? Perhaps I could, rather than do it up there, I could perhaps do it along here, through there. Try and run my finger a bit further. Yeah, so there's, I can definitely get it to about, I'm about there. About there. My finger. And I don't think there's anything there, a clamp. Right, so that's it. I'm gonna go in there. Let me get the splodger. This really is a classic Ted's World bodge job. Okay, so I've got those hooking the plastic out there, and I've got these grippers that I'm going to push through there, and then hopefully I'll see enough of it that I can push the wire onto it and then grip these and pull it through. So let's push those through now. Let's get that out of the way. Push it through as far as we can go. Let's see where it's come out. Oh, I can just about see it in there. I got it. So let's try and pull it through now. Yes.
Everything is going extremely well.
Excellent. Right, we need to make sure the earth and the negative goes through as well. Actually, I should probably just use the tweezers again. Seems to be the easiest way now, doesn't it? Now I've got the negative. Oh, that's the grip. Got it. Right. Get that under there, through there, around there. There we go. So I can pull them all through. Right, now I should aim for probably about here to start it. I suppose it doesn't really matter, but now I'm going to move it up to there. Begun by feeding that into there behind the rubber seal. I'm scooping that in, and I'm going to feed that all the way round. And I'll do it on a time lapse. Right, moment of truth. I'm going to put these into this clip and clamp it down. I don't want it to short out, so I'm going to disconnect this light. Okay, they're in. Let's clamp that down. Right, pliers. Need the pliers. Tighten it up. Put that in there and squeeze. Just pull those. Make sure they're secure. 1, 2. Yep, they're secure. But the light isn't on. I'm not sure they are connected. And there it is, plugged in. I've trimmed, I've cut the end of it. There's some markers in between these here. There's arrows either side, but there's a black line on each of them. You just cut straight through there and then put the little end cap on. Tuck it in there, lovely jubbly. That's fine, that's all lit up, brilliant. There we go, that's plugged in. Let's wrap some tape around this. Okay, part 1 and 3. Okay, so if we go and push that up into there and there, make sure that this is going to go in. It's a bit bulky.
fiddly. Really, I want to put that above it, if anything. Oh, I could put it in upside down, couldn't I? That'd probably be better. Put it in like that. Yes, there we go. Lovely. There it is, complete. Now I need to show it to you in the dark.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, you'll definitely love the one on screen now.